Cube has a portal to manage your entire portfolio of projects across different sectors and locations. It has a robust user management system in place where users can set roles for them and also customize these roles, or create new roles and set access levels as per the standard practices. Every project has a dashboard that contains spaces as per ISO 19650 guidelines. This way users can create folders with appropriate nesting and upload documents in these folders. The folder structure can be customized, and the nomenclature can also be set as per the project requirements for storing files and documents in an organized way. With a simple click, users can view all the details of the files, or managers can set different access levels for different users. In the Details window, users can view the version of the file, add or update tags of the file, edit access of users, share the file within and across spaces, upload new versions of the file, and track older versions. They can check if the file is part of any review cycle or not, and add files as dependencies. Within the same PMIS platform, users can create and manage versions of their estimates. Admins can add a cost database by adding items manually, or via CSV import, or via integration with users' existing ERP platform. Hierarchy and grouping of items can be maintained using the nesting feature. Users can create an estimate that could be specific to a project and can be saved inside a space, where users can also allocate the cost database to the estimate to import the rates. This way users can create a detailed estimate and add items manually, along with 2D and 3D estimation, or quantity takeoff. Within an estimate, users get to access files from their repository that they have access to, which can be added and attached to your estimate. In 3D estimation, after a 3D model is attached, users can make use of dynamic queries to filter out and extract objects on the basis of families, layers, objects, and metadata of the elements. Users can also use and/or conditions to be specific and drill down even further to extract the quantities from the 3D model. With Data Bank, the elements extracted using queries can be grouped together to create a takeoff. The quantity of this takeoff can also be assigned a unit of measurement. Finally, this takeoff can be linked with items from Estimate or BOQ to establish the linking. This dynamic linking ensures that the queries run on the back end and estimates get updated and create newer versions with new iterations or versions coming up in the underlying 3D model. In a similar way, quantity can also be extracted from 2D CAD drawings, where users can perform measurements using the measurement operators, group them to form a takeoff, and link this takeoff to an item from BOQ or Estimate. Cube has 4D capabilities to allow users to create construction schedules, manage tasks and activities, and integrate these schedules with project management systems like MSP or Primavera. Users can add the activities as tasks and maintain the hierarchy as per their work breakdown structure. In this way, schedules can be created in Cube, or prepared schedules could also be imported into the platform using CSV or Excel import. While importing, users can select which column heads they want to import and associate or match it to the columns of the schedule. Cube also allows users to link model elements to tasks from the construction schedules to create a 4D simulation. Users can select model elements and then create a selection set. It is important to create resources, allowing users to link resources with a selection set. Each task is then associated with a resource that contains the information of the selection set, along with setting the task type. Users can also decide the color code and appearance for different types of activities and set the stage of activities. With this linking, under Simulation, users can set up start and end dates and decide the simulation duration, which allows model elements to follow the timeline and display a simulation as per the construction schedule. Users can do planned, actual and planned versus actual simulation using this feature. Cube has an advanced contracts module for vendor management and contract management. After estimates and schedules are created, users can open the contracts module create a contract for a vendor organization and keep it resided in the relevant space. A budgeted amount can be set up, or an already created estimate can be linked to this contract, and items relevant to the subcontractor can be added to this contract, along with the predefined quantity, as per the scope of work. Users can track quantities as per budget, change order, consumption or executed work, balanced scope of work, inspected work, and billed work. To track the timeline and keep a track of plan and actual progress for a vendor, users can also link contracts with the prepared schedule where relevant tasks from the schedule can be linked with the contract. Through configurable daily progress report forms, users can define the respondents, approvers and manage multiple levels under a review cycle, as per the organization's current practices. This way vendors can fill in the form and submit their work details for further approvals, and avoid paper-backed work or fragmented Excel worksheets. In a similar way, vendors can also fill in site requests for inspection forms, which can be approved prior to work or after work completion. A similar workflow can be created for change order and billing processes. Project data of Cube can be integrated with data visualization platforms to generate powerful and insightful dashboards. Users can create a dashboard for document management to track all their files and documents across projects at a portfolio level for better clarity. It also allows users to view files on the basis of projects, related stakeholders, assigned review cycle, file type and format, and associated project components. By linking model elements to the available schedules and estimates, powerful 5D dashboards can also be developed, where captured data of real progress also gets reflected. This way users can see planned, actual and planned versus actual progress in the 5D dashboard. GIS-enabled dashboards can also be generated to mark the actual progress and highlight it on the map, which is synced with project data. Stay tuned for more.